Keep checking the Cloud Office for the updates, United We Thrive, so you can see where to plug in. Because what we want to do is plug everyone into the training so that we have that layered leadership. So when you bring in that new person, immediately go to the three-way chat so that Nancy introduces me to her newest people so they know their support system, they know their team, and help them with that first win within 24 hours using the tools. Use the fan page. I love when someone's looking at the business opportunity, I share Blair's 200K documentary video and say, this is one of our leaders, this is Blair. I love using those tools, using the fan page, and then getting another story. So how many of you this week, I want to challenge you to not only do 5 of your own three-way chats, three-way calls, but to help your team to do those as well.